Hi guys, this is Beto Chingon, just showing you my Wyze deadbolt lock. Okay, I put this Wyze deadbolt lock and it works great. I like it. I've been using it for a while. When you put it, it's good to replace this lower doorknob for a regular one without a lock inside or outside. That way you use your Wyze lock to lock your deadbolt. Okay, so anyway, it's a battery operated and it's made by Wyze. So you unlock it, you open your door, and now you have it working, it's open. And if you want to close it, you just close it. And if you have a program where it'll lock automatically, to me, that's the way I have it. I like it like that. Or you can put a timer. It's up to you how you want to do it. But anyway, that's how I have it. But anyway, my Wyze lock, when I purchased the first one, it didn't have a keypad on the outside. So I added a keypad. And at the beginning, they were selling it without the keypad. Then after that, they started selling a kit where they were actually selling it with a keypad. So anyway, in my case, I purchased a keypad and I purchased several of them, with the keypad. And they were great, like I said. The only you have to remember one thing is all these, like this one for the deadbolt uses batteries. The keypad also uses batteries. But if you look online, you're probably going to find a video of how to replace the battery of your keypad. And if you put your keypad, and with time, you might forget how you put it on, how you're supposed to replace it. But anyway, this is just a little reminder for some of you guys or for somebody that's going to do it for the first time. So what you do is you push this up, okay, take it off. Then when you have it off, what you're going to do is you're going to press this little button here. You're going to press it down, and you might have to use a small screwdriver to pry it open, okay? Let me see if I can open it with a single hand. Like I said, if it's been sitting, you might not be able to do it. Okay, so I was able to open it. See there? I was able to open it. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna set it on this cabinet here, okay, and replace the batteries. So the batteries are just regular batteries, AA, okay? If you want your keypad to work for a longer amount of time, then you want to use lithium batteries. They cost a little bit more, but it's worth it. That way you don't have to be changing batteries that often. Like in my case, this keypad is used all the time. By the way, see this big hook here? Well, you want to put that one there to the lower part, okay? You want to put to the lower part, and you just press it down. Make sure you put it right, okay? And then you just press it down, and it'll click. There. So now you have it all set up. And you can hear that it's working already. I mean, I'm not going to put no numbers or nothing like that, but it's just showing you that it's working. See that? So anyway, I'll pause the video and go put it again. Oh, by the way, if you want to test your batteries to make sure the batteries are good, it's always a good idea to use one of these little testers. You set up the tester where you want it, in this case, AA batteries, and you can test your batteries. But just to prove to you that my old batteries were bad, so I only have one hand, so it's kind of hard. But let's see if I can do it like this. Okay, let's see if I can do it. That's before I put my keypad, just to show you how the batteries were bad on this one. Okay. I'll pause the video right now. Okay, so I was able to connect the battery, and you can see that it shows that needs to be replaced. But anyway, these two batteries are no good. I already put the new ones, so you can see and hear the keypad. Okay, you see how it lights up? Okay, so it's lighting up. So now it's showing that I'm locking my door. But anyway, okay, so after you put your batteries, you bring it to the bracket here on the door. You slide it up, and then you're gonna slide it down. So now it's installed again, okay? And so you close your door. It's working good, okay? Now, open it. And like I said, it's programmed to lock automatically. So now you're gonna go outside, and it's locking. Okay, by the way, this keypad, you know, because when you're using it, you know, with time it's gonna get dirty, so you have to wipe it off every once in a while. No big deal. So I'm gonna pause the video to enter my code and show you how it works. After entering your code, you're just gonna press the unlock. Oops, well, I think I entered the code and I waited too long, so I had to do it again. After entering your code, you just press the unlock. And now it's unlocking, okay? So now you're ready to enter. And that's it. That's how you replace your batteries. And if you want to make sure your old batteries are no good, or you want to make sure the new batteries are good, then you just want to use a battery tester. Simple as that. So that's how you replace it. Okay? Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.